Picture this, a tablet with a screen bigger than some laptops, enough memory to handle serious work, and a price that could make you pause before hitting buy. That's the situation with Samsung's rumored Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. The big question isn't whether it'll be powerful. It probably will be. The real question is whether Samsung is bringing something genuinely new to the table, or simply polishing the same premium formula again. Leaks and certification sightings are starting to paint a clearer picture, and there are some exciting details here, along with a few familiar compromises. So, before you start setting money aside, let's break down the expected release timing, hardware performance, display, battery, price, and who this massive Android tablet may actually be for. The Galaxy Tab Ultra line has always lived in a strange but interesting space. It isn't trying to be a casual little tablet for checking email on the couch. Samsung wants this thing to sit beside your laptop, or maybe replace it for the right person. The expected Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra appears to continue that mission. We're hearing about a giant AMOLED display, a high-end MediaTek processor, desktop-style DX software up to a terabyte of storage, and deep connections with the rest of the Galaxy ecosystem. But there's also a major reality check coming. Some of the rumored upgrades may feel more like refinement than reinvention. And of course, none of this is final until Samsung makes it official. Still, based on the information currently circulating, here's what the Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be. Let's start with the release window, because this is where things are beginning to feel more credible. Certification records have reportedly revealed two model numbers, SMX94 and SMX9406B. Those numbers are believed to represent different connectivity versions of the device, with Wi-Fi and 5G options likely on the way. That doesn't tell us every feature, but it does suggest Samsung is moving the product through the usual pre-launch process. As for timing, the most likely window appears to be the third quarter of 2026. September is the date to watch, especially because Samsung has previously used the IFA trade show period to introduce major tablet products. So if you're shopping for an expensive tablet right now, this may be worth waiting for, at least until Samsung confirms what's real and what's just early speculation. Now, let's talk about the design. If you wanted Samsung to completely rethink the Ultra tablet, you may want to manage your expectations. Current renders reportedly point to a very familiar design language. The Tab S12 Ultra is expected to retain the huge 14.6-inch footprint that has defined this category. That means this is still going to be a device built for desk work, multitasking, sketching, media consumption, and serious travel productivity. Not something you casually hold one-handed while standing in line. The rumored thickness is around 5.1 millimeters, which is remarkably slim considering the size of the display. And Samsung is expected to keep those narrow borders around the screen, helping the panel feel even more expansive. But yes, the notch appears to be sticking around. For some people, that's no big deal. For others, it remains one of the most distracting design choices on a premium tablet. Samsung seems to believe the notch is a worthwhile trade-off for the front camera setup and the massive screen around it. Whether you agree probably comes down to how you use a tablet. In landscape mode for video calls, it makes practical sense. When you're watching a movie or staring at a clean full-screen canvas though, you'll definitely know it's there. The processor is one of the most interesting parts of this rumor cycle. Samsung is expected to use the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 rather than a Snapdragon chip. And if that happens, it would mark another year where Samsung's top tablet moves away from the Qualcomm route many Android enthusiasts automatically expect. But there's an important comparison Samsung can't escape: Apple's M5-equipped iPad Pro. Based on the early picture, Apple may still hold a meaningful lead in absolute CPU graphics headroom. So if your workflow involves extremely demanding 3D work, intense rendering tasks, or high bitrate video production away from a full computer, that difference could matter. For everyone else? Maybe not. There's a difference between winning a benchmark chart and making a tablet that feels fast in real life. The Tab S12 Ultra could still feel incredibly responsive, especially when paired with Samsung software tools. Just don't expect it to automatically erase the performance advantage Apple has built in the high-end tablet space. If there's one area where Samsung rarely disappoints, it's display technology. The Tab S12 Ultra is expected to feature a 14.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. And honestly, that alone will be enough to get the attention of people who use tablets for visual work or entertainment. A panel this large gives you room to do things that feel cramped on smaller tablets. You can keep a research document open beside a browser window. You can have a video call running while taking notes. You can sketch with the S Pen without feeling like you're working on a tiny digital notepad. And when it's time to relax, that huge OLED canvas should be fantastic for high dynamic range movies and shows. Deep blacks, rich colors, sharp detail, and smooth motion are exactly what people expect from Samsung's premium displays. Could a traditional laptop offer more flexibility for certain professional tasks? Absolutely. But for touch-first work, handwritten notes, art, and media, this display is likely to be the Tab S12 Ultra's biggest selling point. Samsung reportedly plans to offer a fairly serious memory and storage lineup. The entry version is expected to begin with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal space. That is already a strong foundation for multitasking, large files, and keeping plenty of apps active. Higher configurations could move up to 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. That's the version aimed at people who want to load this tablet with creative projects, documents, downloaded media, and perhaps a lot of work files. It's also a sign of Samsung's bigger goal. This is supposed to function as more than an oversized streaming screen. With DAX, Samsung can shift the interface toward a more desktop-like environment. Add a keyboard, mouse, or trackpad, and the Tab S12 Ultra becomes much more capable for emails, presentations, web research, file management, and multitasking. And if you already own a Galaxy phone or Galaxy Book, the appeal grows even further. Features such as quick share, device handoffs, and using the tablet as a secondary screen can make the whole setup feel connected rather than fragmented. That ecosystem convenience may sound small on paper, but it can matter every single day. Here's where we need to be a little cautious. The Tab S12 Ultra is rumored to carry an 11600 mAh battery, which is certainly substantial, but it appears to be close to the capacity Samsung used before, rather than a major jump forward. Charging is expected to top out at 45 watts through a wired connection. That's respectable, but it's not class-leading. If you're the type of person who remembers to charge overnight, you'll probably be fine. If you constantly run out the door with a nearly empty device, faster charging would have been nice. The camera setup should include 2 rear cameras, though let's be honest, almost nobody is buying a 14.6-inch tablet as their primary camera. These lenses are more useful for scanning paperwork, capturing quick reference images, or supporting augmented reality functions. The more important camera may be the 12-megapixel front-facing unit. Because it's positioned for landscape use, it should work well for meetings, classes, family calls, and remote collaboration. That's a much smarter priority than pretending this giant device is designed for casual photography. Samsung hasn't announced official pricing, but don't expect this to be cheap. With its large AMOLED display, premium construction, top-tier memory options, and Ultra branding, the Tab S12 Ultra will likely sit firmly in 4-figure territory. At that point, you're comparing it not only with other tablets, but also with powerful laptops. So ask yourself one honest question: what will you actually do with it? If your tablet life is mostly social feeds, YouTube, movies, and occasional browsing, this is probably far more device than you need. Samsung's smaller tablets, or even less expensive options from competing brands, could make much more financial sense. But if you're a student managing research and notes, a creator using an S Pen, a professional who works while traveling, or someone deeply invested in Samsung devices, the value equation changes. The bigger concern is for owners of a Tab S10 Ultra or Tab S11 Ultra. Based on these rumors, the upgrade may not feel dramatic enough to justify another huge purchase. The design seems familiar, the battery capacity doesn't appear radically different, and the overall approach is evolutionary. So the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerful, polished, and extremely premium Android tablet, but not necessarily a surprise-filled one. For people upgrading from much older hardware, however, the difference could be enormous. Better software, a refined multitasking experience, a premium display, and longer-term update support could make this a device you keep for years. The display could again be best in class, DeX remains a major advantage, and the Galaxy ecosystem gives Samsung a strong reason to exist beside laptops and iPads. But the familiar design, unchanged-looking battery strategy, and possible performance gap against Apple's top silicon mean Samsung still has something to prove. Until the official announcement arrives, treat every leak with caution. Watch for the Galaxy reveal, wait for confirmed pricing, and most importantly, compare the tablet to your real daily needs, not just its impressive spec sheet. If you want more updates on the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra as launch details emerge, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let us know in the comments, would you use this as a laptop replacement, or is a 14.6-inch tablet simply too much? So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Peace out.